This video is on the technical analysis and price prediction of XLM, and as you guys can see at this point in time we are on the monthly chart. And what I'm going to do in regards to this video is give you reasons as to why I believe that we're likely going to see a crash of sorts, even though at this point in time we seem to be in a bullish market. And without wasting any further time, guys, let's get straight into the actual technical analysis. And as I've said, we are in a strong bullish trend at this point in time, but just based on the price action, I would say that due to the fact that the market had given us at this point an inverted head and shoulders pattern, as well as a W formation over here, in addition to another inverted head and shoulders pattern over here, I would say that there is plenty of room for the market to move further down, right? Number one, if we were to look at this area over here, remember, whenever we have these patterns, these W structures or W formations, what happens quite a lot is that traders and investors actually buy on that at that point, and they place their stop losses below. So we have a lot of stop losses located there. To add to this, we also have this area, as I've said, and just like with W formations, when we have inverted head and shoulders patterns, we have a lot of traders and investors actually buying here and placing their stop losses there, and others actually wait for the market to close above the neckline and then add to their buys and continue to place their stop losses there. So the neckline would be around here somewhere, and as I've said, we have a lot of stop losses located here and again at that level, right? At that level over there, right? Thirdly, we have another one here, and again, the same principle applies where we have a lot of people buying at that point and placing their stop losses here and then again there, right? So in conclusion, guys, due to the fact that we have a lot of liquidity stuck at the bottom at these levels, at this level, right, as well as at this level, right, in addition to at that level again, more or less, right, there is plenty of scope for the market to move further down, as much as at this point in time we seem to be in a strong bullish trend, right? So in conclusion, what am I saying? All I'm saying is we just need to be careful, because as I've said, we may see the market move further down to stop hunt and then possibly continue to move further up, right? Anyway, from here I'm just going to move down to the weekly chart, and let's see what's happening in regards to the weekly chart. And just looking at the current price action, remember I had mentioned that we have this pattern on the monthly chart, which is an inverted head and shoulders pattern, where this side would be the left shoulder, this would be the head, and this area over here more or less would be the right hand shoulder. And we could say more or less that it has a neckline around here somewhere, right? And also the neckline seems to be broken. If I can just do this, the neckline seems to be broken to the upside, and what this means is that excuse me, we may be getting ready to see price move further up, especially because we have this candlestick over here, right? It is a liquidity candlestick, as it is a bullish candlestick with a relatively small body and quite a long upper wick, right? So we have a lot of money stuck there, and we may see price head up to that level. Having said that, guys, remember what I've said, right? There is plenty of scope for the market to move further down to grab all of those liquidity areas that I've spoken about.